So, good morning. So, yung babasahin ko is third division. The seafarers nervy to reverse and undo to adverse decision promulgated on November 28, 2011, whereby the Court of Appeals nullified and set aside the decision rendered on May 9, 2011 by the National Labor Relations Commission that had affirmed the decision rendered by the labor arbiter on October 29, 2010, declaring him to have been illegally terminated from employment and ordering the respondents to pay him salaries for the unexpired portion of his contract. Respondents, Sea Power Shipping Enterprise employed the petitioner as a third officer on board the MT Samaria, as vessel owned by Avin International SA on October 2005-2009. October 25, 2009, prior to the expiration of his employment contract. The ship owner sold the MT Samaria to the Swiss Singapore Overseas the Enterprise. As a consequence of the sale, he was discharged from the vessel and repatriated to the Philippines under the promise to transfer him to the MT Platinum, another vessels of the respondents. After he was not ultimately deployed on the MT Platinum, he was engaged to work as a second mate on board MT Crete Acti before his employment on board in FT Crete Acti. However, the ship owner also sold the vessel to the Midis Shipping and Trading Limited on April 8, 2010. Thereafter, he was longer deployed to the another vessel to complete his contract on April 23, 2010. The petitioner complained against the respondents in the Philippine Overseas Employment Administration, demanding the full payment of his employment contract. His claim was settled through a compromise agreement with claim person to with the received separation pay after deducting his cash advance. 2 months thereafter, petitioner filed another complaint against the respondents for illegal dismissal and non-payment of the unexpired portion of his contract. The complaint was deducted in LRC case number 04-057764-10 on October 29, 2010. Labor arbiter render decision in LRC case number 04-056764-10, declaring the termination of the petitioner employment as illegal, pertinently holding, with the finding that complainant was illegally dismissed from employment and is entitled to payment of his salaries of the remaining 10 months unexpired portion of his employment contract in the total amount of $22,300 basic monthly salary allowance and leave pay times 10 months as attorney's fees equivalent to 10% thereof. All another claim are never denied the lack sufficient factual and illegal basis. The LA recognized that settle is the rule in termination case. The burden of proving that this dismissal of the employee was a valid authorized cause roots the employer is incumbent upon the employer to show substantial evidence that the termination of the employment of the employees was validate made of failure and discharge that duty would mean that dismissal is not justified and therefore illegal. Fernando P. Digosma versus NLRC, December 12, 2007. Yun lang po. Thank you.